chabvonoka panguva inei. Tinoona kuti retired lieutenant general Nelson Mapranga waya exposer kana kuposta documents ari kunzi top secret documents intelligence. Panguva inoi exposer Zvigananda and whatsoever they are doing. Zanapena mashoko some of the documents just in brief. Pane zviri kutaurwa in these documents. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. The first one is dated 22 April 2026. The strategic threat of Zvigananda criminal cartel to state sovereignty, it is an PF cohesion. Panguva inoi, this report confirms that the infiltration of ZANU-PF in government structures by criminal elements, specifically the network known as Zvigananda, is transitioned from a matter of economic corruption to an active national security crisis. The cabal led by KUTYA, ZVAITWA, and Kukwanya Info Tungwarara have effectively established a parallel command structure that operates outside the formal presidium through the weaponization of illicit wealth, estimated at over 3.2 billion in state capture looting. These actors are driving Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, not for national interest, but as a defensive mechanism to avoid prosecution and entrench a plutocratic dynasty. Current threat landscape. The rise of a parallel command structure, the traditional hierarchy of ZANU-PF party moving from the cell to the central committee, is being bypassed. Tagure and Tungwarara, despite holding to a legitimate grassroots mandate, exert direct influence over state house operations and fiscal policy. Anobuda vashitaura panguva inoi about the shadow appointments, the defiance of authority, insulation of the first family. Let's read about the constitutional coup by Gap 3. Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 is not a reform. It is a slow motion coup designed to secure impunity for the Zvigananda credentials. This legitimizes the destruction of fair market competition, international isolation, unlike the ANC or Freeland, which are seeking renewal. ZANU-PF's reliance on these criminal networks has turned it into a regional parish mocked for blaming neo-imperialist while its own businessmen strip and loot the nation bare. Number developments are kubuda panguva inoi mu these leaked documents anouya achipostiwa naSCOC Mapranga. Pina comment section medu dzofuro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.